Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today in this video I want to show you how you can print labels for your gadgets. So let's say you want to print some labels for your drones and you want to put your name or basically your operator ID on top of your drone, or maybe numbering your batteries. So as you can see here, pretty much everything I got is labeled. So I got my drones, they all labeled, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. So basically it's pretty simple and also cheap. So I'm gonna show you today in this video how you can print such labels for your gadgets, including drones, action cameras or lenses. So for this you'll have to go on Amazon and buy this little printer, I would call. It's very small, it's light, and well, it's printing labels for your gadgets, which is the most important thing. So for this, if I'm not wrong, it cost me around £20 and I'm pretty much happy with it. I've printed quite a lot of labels for my drones, lenses, cameras. They all have labels. Even my GoPro, I made a label for my GoPro as well. Even my Insta360 got a label as well. So I'm gonna show you how you can print little labels for your drone. So let's say you have purchased this gadget. It's called Kneebot and it's a label printer. I'm gonna drop a link in the description so you can check it out. And before we move forward, I have built a community board for my channel. It's called myprochannel.com. If you want to join there and ask me any questions or talk about gadgets, feel free to join. It's free and we can talk a bit more on that community, because on YouTube comments sometimes I do get notification only on first comment, and after that I don't get any notifications. So anyway, let's move forward. So if you purchase this little gadget, you're gonna receive it. You're gonna have to install labels. So the labels are inside here and you're gonna have to put them. So here you go, mine is already inside. Now once you've put all your labels in there, you're gonna have to go on App Store or Play Store and download the Kneebot application. In my case, I already have this application on my phone, so let's open this. Cool. So make sure you switch on your gadget. There you go, it is switched on now. Just to let you know, you can charge this little printer with USB Type-C, which is really handy. So we're gonna leave this on the side. Now you're gonna have to connect your device with your smartphone. In my case, it's already connected. Now let's start to make a label. So pretty much you got templates here. You pretty much can choose from templates. For some reason I don't have any. I believe you can create some templates. Anyway, let's create a label now. So basically you select the label paper, which in my case is white. So I'll click select. Now it's pretty straightforward. You don't need to be like a tech guy. Just type your, let's say, what you want to type. In my case, I'm gonna type subscribe because I really hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel. So a big subscribe label, and I will make it as big as possible for this label. Come on, a bit more, that's it. Subscribe. Hopefully you can see. And now you just let you know, you can add icons as well. You can add some images, but I wouldn't recommend. Just keep it nice and simple. And now we're gonna click print. So here you go, print. So it's printing. So pretty funny. That's the label. Subscribe. I will need to adjust the paper because it is not fully. So I'm gonna write it now, subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much what I want to show you, how you can print labels. You don't need to go on eBay, on Facebook Markets to pay money to someone to print some labels for you. It's pretty much straightforward. Just buy the gadgets from Amazon and print as many labels you want for yourself, for your drones, for your batteries, for your lenses, cameras, or I don't know, if you want to use this label printer for your kitchen, you can do that. It's a little handy to have in your home. It's not expensive, as I said. I'm not promoting this gadget. I'm just saying what the cheapest way to print labels for your drone, because I was looking for labels and I didn't want to pay, well, £10 or £15 for a couple of labels, so I've decided to buy a label printer to have at home. So that's pretty much how it looks, how it works. If you happy with this video, feel free to subscribe my channel. Thumbs up as all. Any questions, ask in the comments. And again, if you want to talk about more about this gadget, feel free to join the myprochannel.com and we're gonna chat more in there. You can also request a video in there. So if you want me to make a video on a particular subject, feel free to request a video and I'll do that. And again, thanks guys for watching. Thumbs up as all, and I'll see you next video.